Hey everyone, my name is Harish Chander. I am an associate professor of biomechanics in the Department of Kinesiology, and I also am the co-director for the neuromechanics lab, and been here 8 years, and I'm starting my 9th year at Mississippi State University. My research centers around the principles of neuromechanics. It's basically a combination of neuroscience and biomechanics, and we try to focus on 3 major areas of research, which is basically human performance, improving human performance, trying to minimize injuries in the humans, and then also try to promote safety. We specifically focus on human factors in ergonomic population, which is basically occupational population, who are usually at a high risk for injuries depending upon the type of task that they're doing for an occupation and the type of environment that they work with, their environmental hazards. So we focus on firefighters, military personnel, we do focus on construction, roofing industry workers, assembly line workers. So these are different areas of populations that we try to address. Another aspect of that particular research, what this lab does, is we also focus on clinical biomechanics and sports biomechanics. Targeted clinical populations, anyone with certain particular pathologies or anyone with certain type of diseases, anyone with certain type of neurological or musculoskeletal conditions. And also in the sports side, which is sports biomechanics, we focus on different types of sports and different types of injuries that happen in sports, whether it be it individual sports or competitive team sports. We try to focus on same concepts of how to improve performance, how to improve safety, and how to minimize injuries. One of the things that we are focusing a good bit of our efforts into is virtual reality research. Virtual reality gives you the ability to be exposed in environments that we cannot safely put other individuals in hazardous environments or in environments that are more prone for injuries. But we can still put them in a virtual environment, which is a lot safer, but they also do get the benefit of experiencing it, and how they respond to it, how they behave to it, and how they learn to it can all be manipulated. And one of the things that we are focused on, especially because fall prevention and fall prevention research is a major research emphasis of my career, we are trying to innovate with different ways to put an individual at a fall-prone risk environment safely and make them exposed to it, and then also try to make sure that they are learning from it, and the next time that they experience such a fall risk or a fall prone environment in real life, they are better equipped and they are better learned to tackle that particular aspect. There are clinical conditions where you are more prone for falling. Individuals with neurological conditions, individuals who work in high fall risk environments such as high altitudes. So we are putting these individuals into a virtual moving room paradigm and then exposing them and then assessing how they behave and how they learn with all biomechanical characteristics and physiological measures and cognitive and subjective measures. I have been extremely fortunate to have the association and the collaboration across different researchers, across different departments on campus. What I do and what we do in this particular lab spans over different departments and different disciplines, because I still want to see human not as a human itself, but a holistic approach of a human. What are the different ways that can actually be assessed, analyzed, improved, so that we get the best for that particular person. So there's a lot of collaborative group team efforts that honestly I don't think I have seen elsewhere, and it's one of the reasons why I continue to work and absolutely love to work for Mississippi State.